Good morning student. Today I am going to explain civics lesson number 5 Panchayati Raj. Now in history I told you that CBSE which lessons reduced that I have given also the lesson name also given, and here in civics the last two lesson I have reduced it because Panchayati Raj, again the municipality, these all are very important and you have to study next year also there. So the rural livelihood and the urban livelihood, that last two lessons I reduced. Understood? Now whenever I will explain geography, at that time which lesson I have reduced, that I will tell you. Got it? Otherwise I will post it in our social science group also which lessons have been reduced there. Got it? Now here this lesson number 5 Panchayati Raj. Here this Hardas village is there. What is the name of that village? Hardas. Hardas is the name of the village, and here some story is given. Story means such a political story, just I have to tell you. Now see, whenever the people had given the votes or people have elected the representatives, now what is the work they have to do it? And here in Hardas village, the election over, the representatives, they had elected the representatives, and it was the first meeting the representatives taken where in the that Hardas village. Understood? Now first of all the Gram Sabha. What is mean by the Gram Sabha? Gram Sabha means the people, those who had casted the vote, those who have completed 18 years old and the more than, they can be assembled together and they can listen to the representative what works they had to do in future, that is the Gram Sabha. Understood? Now sometimes Gram Sabhas, this in the Gram Sabhas, there many members are there in another villages also, because in some areas the other small villages also connected with the Gram Panchayat. Understood? That is the Gram Sabha. Means approximately we can say that Gram Sabha is the place where people can be assembled. Means Gram Sabha is a meeting where the people can be assembled, where who have cast their vote and those who have completed 18 years and more than, to listen what's the representatives have to take action in future. That is the Gram Sabha. Got it? Here in Hardas village, that was the very special day. It is written, it is a very special day, and all the peoples they have assembled there for the Gram Sabha meeting. Now which village was there? That was the Hardas village, and people were very eager to listen the representatives along with the Sarpancha. Sarpancha means was the president of the Panchas, that is called the Sarpancha. They wanted to hear what the action the representatives and Sarpanch will tell it. Now the Gram Sabha's meeting begins. Whenever in Hardas village the Gram Sabha meetings started or begins, at that time the Sarpancha first of all discuss which matter they have to solve, and the Sarpanch with other panchas, means others representatives who have been elected. These representatives, they sat on the dais. The Sarpanch preside over the function and preside over the function or preside over the sabha, and another panchas means another representatives were there on the dais and they were talking. Got it? Now the first preside over the sabha by whom? By the Sarpanch. Now first of all he said the road is not proper in Hardas village. That is the Kacha road, and to develop the Hardas village, they wanted to maintain the road, or they wanted to repair the road, and beyond that they wanted to connect the road with the city's road. It means that Hardas village people would not face any problem, and even the auto rickshaws and buses also can become in Hardas villages. Understood? There was a discussion about the water shortages. Mostly we can see in the villages, what we can see in the villages, water problems are there. Sometimes we can see on TV channels also how the people are bringing the water from far away places there. It means that in villages, every villages, such water problems are there. Though the villages from the Maharashtra, those are villages from other state also there. In the rural areas or in the areas, the water problem are the major problem there. So one of the man whose name was Tija, he said that there is a shortage of water and some borewells are there. Borewells are the hand pumps, they are also going dry. Then what is the actions the Gram Panchayat or the Sarpanch can take it? Now some were suggested. Among these some people were there. They were suggested that what they were suggested? They were suggested the hand pump must be again dig it there and then the water can get to the hand pump. Now there one river. The name of the river was Suru River. What is the name of the river? That is the Suru River, and that Suru River and women has to bring the water from far away places, and the Suru river is very far away from the villages. It is from 3 kilometers far away, and every day the women has to take a pot on their hand and they have to bring it there, and it is a very greatest problem. That's why people were discussing. So some had given the suggestion that there must be a pipeline, where there must be a pipeline to the river, and by this pipeline the water can be get to the villages there. But again another we are telling that it is very much expensive and very much expensive and more money is required. Got it? That's why. Now one of the man whose name was Anwar, he had given one again suggestion. He said that last year when he went there in another village, that village from Maharashtra, and he said that there are some water development programs there. Now people were very much surprised. What is the water development program and how it can be? Now he said that people had that planted more and more water and they conserved the water there. And by the conservation of the water from the river, protect from the river or protect from the rain, they can get the water in summer season where there is a shortage of water. Understood? Such a discussion was going on in the Gram Sabha. Now the Gram Sabha, the main is the Sarpanch and others are the Panch. Now who are these Panchas? These are the ward member. Means the villages have been divided into the ward, and every ward has one representative, that is called the Panchas. Understood? Now this one secretary also there. The secretary, who is the secretary and who appointed to him? The secretary is appointed by the government, and what is his duty? His duty is to call the Gram Sabha within a month, and whatever the discussion was going on in the Gram Sabha, he had to maintain the record. That is the work of the secretary. Means secretary was appointed by the government, and his duty is to maintain the record of the Gram Sabha's meeting. Got it? Now here the first, that was the road problem was there, and this one Gram Panchayat's president, that was the Sarpanch, and he said that he and his representatives or the elected representatives will repair the road, and they try to, after repairing, they try to join the road to the main road, and it would be very much easy to the people to transport, that is. And another was the water shortage program. Water shortage discussion was there, and how they have to remove such a problems there. There was a discussion also happened. And the people came on the conclusion that is the conservation of water is the best way, and that is and they did that in the rainy season they will take such an initiative and they will conserve the water. And if the water conserved, then what? They can remove the water problem. Another discussion was about the BPL. BPL means below poverty line people. Below poverty line people means those who are the laborers, and if they go to the work and they get the wages, and on that wages only their livelihood depend, that is the BPL's peoples there, means that below poverty people. Now who comes in the below poverty peoples? That are the laborers. Now we can say in our maid also coming in the BPL, and they have their different ration card. Now we all have the ration cards there. If in our family also we have a ration card. Now after watching the videos, then you ask to your parents and see the ration card there, and but we not use there because our ration card is different. We never go to the fair price shop to bring such a grains from that, but these poor people, they get the grain from on the ration card at a very low price. The 5 rupees kg rice, 5 rupees kg wheat, that is, it means that those who are coming there in the below poverty line, government always provide the facilities to them, but whose income is very less, those who are having the less income, government provide these facilities to them. Now our BPL, then our ration card is very different there, because we people are not coming in the BPL or in BPL in that. It means our ration card is having the white colors there. But if you ask to your maid that show me your ration card, then that is the yellow ration card. Understood? Yellow ration card means their yearly income or monthly income is very less, and it is very difficult to them to take a food every day. That's why government scheme is there, and by the scheme these people get this BPL card, ration card. Understood? Now in that Hardas village, the Gram Sabha was going on. The first discussion about, what was the first discussion? First discussion about maintaining the road, another was water shortage program, and another was the BPL card. Now who decide that which people comes in that one? The teachers in the villages, they can take the survey of that, and they go to door, and what's the people are doing the work, that teachers can be mentioned in that, and their income also they can mention, and by that this government decide who is coming in the BPL or below poverty line people. Got it? Now, but some peoples are there in the society, they are taking the disadvantage of the government scheme. They show a very less their income and take the facility, because this BPL means below poverty lines peoples having such advantages. So for taking the advantages from the government scheme, some peoples are there in the society, they take their monthly or yearly income so less, and then they take such advantages there. So here this president or sarpanch, that panchayat president or the sarpanch, he had the list, the teacher has given the list to the sarpanch, and sarpanch was reading the name. Now the people were listening. Whenever some names came there, Birju's name came, and another one man who was his friend, his name came. They were surprising, because these two were somewhat rich. They had just purchased the color TV also. They had purchased some for their children bike also there, and when people heard their name, people were very surprising and said that they were discussing with each other, or they were whispering with each other that their voice should not be reached to the Sarpanch as they were, such a whisper was going on. Whenever Sarpanch was whispering, he said that instead of whispering, you should have to tell there. But people kept silent. Why the people kept silent? Because one of the zamindar, whose name was Amir Chand, now he had such a very land, and his name also came in this below poverty line, and his nephew's name also were there, and he was keeping eye on the peoples there. People should not take to the Sarpanch. That's why he was seeing on that. He had such a mighty power, and he thought that if somebody complained to the Sarpanch, then what will happen? He can take the action against him after this Gram Sabha. So they had kept the silent there. But another man, Om Prakash, whose name was the Om Prakash, he was really very much poor, and his name was not there. So some people were provoking means what? इसको बोल, अरे बोल 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 ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. Someone is there in the meeting that they can be talk and others can be silent there. Someone only can talk there, someone has there. So tell that his name is not in that list there, Om Prakash name. So that man, one man, those who had there to speak in the meeting, he stood and he said that Om Prakash name is not in the BPL card because he is so poor there. The Sarpanch had again watched the list there, and he came to understand really Om Prakash name is not there. Now the Sarpanch told to the peoples, again the teacher will do the survey and his name will be mentioned there, and really his income is so less there, then he will also get the facility which this below poverty line people can get it. Below poverty line, it means that these people having such a less income, and if they had not gone to the work, they cannot fulfill their hunger. वो भूखे मर सकते हैं. तो ऐसे people that come in the BPL people or below poverty line people, and government is providing such a facilities to who? To that people there, because all must get right to food, because it is our fundamental right, and by this fundamental right which has been written in the constitution, yes, everyone must get the food there. So nowadays government is using that scheme. Understood? Now this part you have to read it there. Now tomorrow I will explain another part, and as I told you that the 30% syllabus the CBSE had been reduced. The last two lessons I have reduced, and which lessons, if you have any queries or if you confuse there, I will write on the groups which lesson have reduced. Understood? Read this part. Tomorrow I will come to explain you the next part. What is the name of the lesson? That is Panchayati Raj. Understood? Thank you, my children.